Hello everyone, I'm JC. On today's episode I'm going to show you how did I change the automatic cam chain tensioner for a manual one. Reason behind that is because it's commonly known on the DRZ400 that the automatic cam chain tensioner used to apply a lot of pressure to the chain inside of the motor, inside of the engine, and that creates premature worn, or it destroys the chain sometimes, and this will help you to provide or to get more longevity of your engine. This is one of the most common modifications on the DRZ, so I decided to give it a go and do a video for you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, so today we'll be changing the automatic cam chain tensioner. In order to do so, we need to change we need to unmount the exhaust just to get more leverage here, and then we might screw this just to take this off or move it aside just to remove it. Okay. Okay guys, so now I have mounted everything. I have mounted my exhaust, and I wanted to mention something. I don't know if you can see here, there are some kind of a blue alignment and some black Well, what I did was I measure the original, so the original, the automatic change tensioner, and I marked it was around here, right? So this means that we have nearly, I don't know, like 1 centimeter less of pressure in the chain. And if I start the bike, just 1 second. Start the bike, I cannot hear any there is no rattling from the chain, so I can rev the bike and no rattling whatsoever. This is what we are looking for in this mode, to release some of the factory pressure on the chain in order to have more longevity on it. Okay guys, as usual, I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you didn't read my previous frame, basically what I mentioned is that you should start using the same length of your automatic one. This will be the best starting point. At least with this length, you will be able to start your engine and it will be everything the same. You just need to back up or to apply more pressure depending of your engine sound. So that's all for today, guys. So, and as usual, try to do it yourself. It's always the first step in the learning curve. So until next time, bye.